Learn how to purchase and personalize a gift card with ease using Prezzee. Follow this guide to create a customized gift card for any occasion and make someone's day special. Select the gift card you would like to purchase. Choose if you are buying for yourself or for someone else. Select the value. Click Save and Continue. Choose which personalization you would like to add by clicking the toggles. Choose a design or add your own photo by clicking Upload your photo. Use the crop tool to correctly resize and crop your image. Click Crop and Save. Add a greeting card, GIF or video. Browse through greeting cards. Or use the tabs at the top to browse GIFs. Click Video to upload your own video. If selecting a GIF, use the search bar to find the GIF you would like. Select the GIF you want to add to your gift. Select the third toggle to add a personal message. Select from a pre-written message or write your own in the text box. Save your progress by clicking on Save and Continue. Enter the name of the gift card recipient. Choose if you would like to send your gift via SMS or email. Add your recipient's email address or SMS number. Add your email address and name. Save your progress by clicking on Save and Continue. View your order details and preview your gift. Click Unwrap My Gift to see what your recipient will receive. Close the preview window. Select a payment type. Agree to the privacy policy and click Pay.